Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your typography scale from Figma to CSS variables. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Figma design file. Select the text layers you want to export. In the right sidebar, navigate to the typography settings. Take note of the font size for each text layer. Document the font sizes in a list format outside of Figma. Next, decide on a naming convention for your CSS variables. For example, you might use font size H1, font size body, and so on. Open your code editor and create a new CSS file. Start by defining your CSS variables within the root selector. For each font size you noted from Figma, add a new variable. Use the following format, font size H1, 32px, for the header sizes. Be consistent with the units, ensuring you use either px or rem. After defining all your font sizes, save your CSS file. Now, incorporate these variables into your CSS rules. For instance, use var, font size H1, for your header elements. This keeps your typography scalable and consistent. You can easily update the values in one place for global changes. Preview your website to ensure that the typography appears as intended. Review and adjust any inconsistent font sizes as necessary. Remember to check responsiveness in different screen sizes. Your typography scale is now successfully transferred from Figma to CSS variables. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.